Okay, so for number 3, it says fill in the missing numbers in these number patterns. So the first row looks like, let's see, is 25, 50, 75. It looks like it's increasing by 25. So if you will with me, say our numbers as we are adding up. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225. Now the next row starts in the middle, so let's look at 44 to 54 to 64. We know that what is the pattern for this one? We are adding what? Get ready? Yes, 10. So from 64, we go to 74, 84, 94. If we back it up and we're going down, counting backwards, we go from 44 to what number? 34, 24, and 14. Number 4, Lauren has 6 red socks, 12 white socks, and 4 black socks in her drawer. If she takes out one sock without looking, which of these colors is she most likely to get? Most likely, she will get a white sock because there's more of them in the drawer. All right. So number 5, it says circle the number sentence for this array. All right, so you remember we count down the left side first. Got 1, 2, 3, and then we count across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 3 by 6 array. So we know that 3 by 6 equals 18. Okay, number 6, it says find the answers. So if we wrote them correctly, 82 minus 43. Well, we can't take away 3 from 2, so we're going to borrow a 10 from the 8 there. Now we've got 12 minus 3, which equal 9. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now we have to add these 3 numbers together, so we've got a 91 plus 72 plus 38. So remember, when we get a lot of numbers, sometimes it's easier to go ahead and say, okay, let me pull out my 10 here, because I know 8 and 2 is 10, and then 1 more is 11. So we bring our 11 down, bring the 1 up to the top. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. So the answer is 201. Now when we're writing our money, we've got to be careful with our decimal places. $4.72 plus $2.19. So 9 plus 2 equals, get ready, 11. Bring our 1 up top. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. All right, let's bring that decimal down. We don't want to forget it. 4 plus 2 is 6. And always bring your dollar sign down.